In asthma, there are certainly changes in physiological processes. There are genes which are involved in these changes. Some of these genes may be mutant or variant alleles may be influencing the expression of these genes, but also environmental factors such as smoke and air pollution can then affect the physiological processes in asthma and the expression of these genes. Among the changes that can be induced are epigenetic changes, which alter the degree of methylation of the DNA, specifically the cytosine nucleotides, or the alteration of the methyl groups or acetyl groups on the histone proteins around which DNA is wrapped. And these changes then alter the likelihood that a gene will be expressed. These changes can actually be long lasting. And so epigenetic changes may then be passed down from one cell as it divides to its daughter cells. They may be in effect for much of an individual's life, and they may even affect the next generation. These are changes in gene expression which do not correlate with changes in the nucleotide sequence of genes, but rather epigenetic changes which alter the levels at which the genes are expressed. Given that there are environmental factors relevant to asthma, which are known to cause epigenetic changes in methylation or histone structure, such as cigarette smoking, exposure to air pollution, maternal cigarette smoking, or exposure to air pollution with regard to the fetus, or exposure to dietary folates, which are required dietary supplements. There are a number of genes whose methylation is changed epigenetically when comparing asthmatics to non-asthmatics, or can be shown to be changed in experiments with mice. These include local hormones such as eotaxin, the enzymes which rework the connective tissue, the vascular cell adhesion molecules, which affect white blood cells reaching the bronchioles, interleukin signals, which help T cells differentiate, and others. And so, thus, asthma is not only directly caused by environmental factors or alternate alleles of genes, but also epigenetic changes to DNA and histones, which can have long-lasting effects on gene expression.